Dodge Woofer 2005 model with a huge V10 10 cylinders and 8.3 cc. The capacity is 8.3 liter with a huge engine. Let's check to find out the chassis number for this. We have some short numbers only for the chassis numbers, around 5 digits. So stay with us, come, and I will bring you back to there. Let's located the chassis number. Come to the right side of the frame and focus. The lower edge is located here, back to reverse, and you can find out easily in here. Chassis located here. The chassis number is a 6-speed manual transmission. You can hear it's clearly, you can find out.